Is it possible to achieve great performance without compromising fuel efficiency? With Volvo Trucks' unique powertrain consisting of the enhanced D13 engine and the I-Shift gearbox, the answer is yes.
Our customer expects the highest driving performance, which enables a high average speed and at the same time cut fuel costs. And of course that's crucial for our customers' business. The updated D13 engine answers both those customer demands.
Combining high performance with low fuel consumption is a challenge. Volvo Trucks is in command of the whole development and production process of the powertrain, enabling the hardware and software to be continuously fine-tuned. In this way, optimal integration and communication between engine and gearbox is ensured, optimizing the balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The enhanced D13 engine is a perfect example where a large number of small improvements make a huge difference. The two most significant upgrades are increased compression ratio on the 420 and 460 horsepower versions and a new optimized turbo on the 500 and 540 horsepower versions.
For us at Volvo Trucks, this updated powertrain means yet another leap towards the energy-efficient transportation of tomorrow. For our customers, it means lower fuel costs, higher profit margin, while maintaining the high performance Volvo is known for.